Hi, this is Padma Gordon, and I want to welcome you to Mindfulness for Everyday Living. You know, I created this course and I created this title, and I realize it's very broad. And yet, mindfulness to me, someone who's been practicing mindfulness for really over 30 years, it is just part of my everyday life. And it's a practice. That's the thing that is really important to know about mindfulness, is that it's a practice, is that it is something that when you make a deposit into your account of awareness, of mindfulness, it grows. You get interest on it. It really does grow. So what do I want to tell you about this course? I want to tell you that you will experience deep benefits. What are the benefits? The benefits are being more present, being more calm, and honestly, feeling more alive, like feeling more alive and excited about your life, committed to your life. Mindfulness brings commitment because you feel that you're here. And there's a piece that I bring specifically, which is the piece around embodiment. And as I just did this, right, you feel that this embodiment goes through the center of you. And what's in the center of you is your heart. So mindfulness has everything to do with finding a way to rest in your own heart, to rest in your heart, to feel good in your body, to feel good in your own skin. So you will experience and taste this for yourself. And then as you practice, and I know I'm saying this word practice, but as you practice, it gets easier. I promise you it gets easier. It becomes more natural. I have not always been someone who is really calm. I grew up in a very sort of intense household, and I learned how to be really intense, and there was a lot of reactivity going on, and I learned how to be reactive. So in this course, you'll learn how to unplug from reactivity, from conditioned ways of being, and you'll learn how to actually respond from your heart, respond from a calm sense of yourself, rather than just the kind of knee-jerk reactions that we often do, because we're human and we're discovering, well, what is it? What is it to be human? And how do I be a skillful human? So this course will help you be a skillful human. And how is this course structured, you might ask? It's structured into 8 really clear sections. These sections are well thought out, where I really explain to you the practices and model them and lead you through them. And then it's up to you to practice and to deepen and to explore and to discover for yourself what it is to feel free, what it is to feel alive, what it is to find freedom from your mind, just coming out of your mind into your heart, into your body, and into the present. That's the thing, is that the present is fleeting. That's why it's simple, yet not easy. You know, this is what's so often said, and in my experience, it's true. It's very, very simple, and it takes practice, it takes commitment. So I hope you enjoy the course. May it benefit you, may it benefit your relationships, may it benefit your health, and may it bring just deep happiness. So please feel free to reach out to me. I would love to hear from you and hear how it's going. I'm here as your ally. Thank you so much. This is Padma Gordon. Enjoy the course.